I see no end in this Shar. No end where our children get to grow up. At least not with their mom. We cannot fight the Devil Gundam with brute force. We have to outthink it. But I can't be the only one thinking. I'm scared, Shar. But mostly I am angry.
Honey, you have the most war-ready mind I've ever seen. We will figure this out. And if you say we have to outsmart it, then that's what we need to do. I hate seeing you cry. We need to bring this to the council now, though. As long as you are my wife, you'll never fight alone again.
I know.